In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check stock in Odoo. To get started, open Odoo and go to the main dashboard. From there, click on the Inventory app. This is where you manage product movement, stock levels, and inventory-related operations, so it's the right place to begin whenever you want to review what you currently have on hand. Once you're inside the Inventory app, look toward the top left area of the screen and click on Operations. This menu gives you access to several important inventory actions, and for this task, the option you need is Physical Inventory. Go ahead and select Physical Inventory to continue. When the Physical Inventory page opens, you'll see a list of the products that have been entered into your system, along with their stock information. This view is useful because it gives you a straightforward way to check the quantity associated with each product. If you're trying to confirm whether an item is available, compare counts, or simply review your current stock situation, this is the section you'll use. You can also use this same area to enter inventory adjustments. That means if the quantity shown in Odoo doesn't match what you physically counted in your storage location, you can update the numbers here. After entering the corrected quantity, you can apply the adjustment so the system reflects the actual stock on hand. This is especially helpful when doing routine inventory checks or correcting discrepancies after receiving, moving, or counting products. As you review the list, take your time to make sure you're looking at the correct products and quantities before applying any changes. Small mistakes in adjustments can affect future inventory accuracy, so it's always a good idea to double-check what you enter. And that's really all there is to it. To check stock in Odoo, you simply open the Inventory app, go to Operations and select Physical Inventory. There you can view the stock for each listed product and make adjustments when needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly understand how to check stock in Odoo.